show you how to use the links that I'm giving you in the homework for lesson 14. So there are three links I've given you. They link to a site called bridgetraining.com where you can play these hands for free without having to log in or enter any details. So it's very, very convenient. So click on the first link and let's open it up and see how we play it. So when you click on the link, Bridge Training opens. You get some advertising on the side of the screen. You can just ignore that. And what happens is you will be given a hand. This is a hand I've set. This is one that was actually part of the lesson. And we firstly need to bid this hand, and then we're going to play it. And Bridge Trainer will allow us to do all of these things and will give us an explanation for how to play it. And it's something you can practice many times to have a go at playing and bidding these hands. I've set three of them in total. So let's have a go first of all. This hand, we're going to open one spade, and North replies one no trump. That shows a fairly weak hand. That's the so-called dustbin bid. It means they're not that keen on spades at the moment. They've probably got between 6 and 9 points, so they haven't got enough points to bid at the 2 level. Nevertheless, I like my hand so much. I have got 18 points, but I'm certain I'm going to make 6. If I play in a spade contract, I'm going to make 6 of these spade cards here. I'm going to make all 6 spades if I play in a spade contract. I've also got 2 really useful aces in the red suits. So I'm still going to bid on. I'm going to bid 4 spades immediately. And that's parked out, and I'm now the declarer in 4 spades. And as you can see, the opponents have led they've led the 8 of hearts, and the dummy has automatically played the 2 of hearts for me. I do get the choice to play, but on this first trick, dummy's played, and the East has played the 3 of hearts. So what I need to do now is plan my play. So I need to use the swap framework. If I look here, I have got, well, I think I've got 6 top tricks in spades, and I think I've got 2 more aces in the red suit. So that's 8 top tricks. So that's a good start, but of course my target here is 10 tricks. So the weakness here is that I need to make 10 tricks. I've only got 8 on top, so I'm going to need to find 2 additional tricks from somewhere. My opportunities for finding those tricks, where are they going to come from? Well, clearly, if I force out the ace of clubs, then I can play the king to force out the ace. The queen of clubs will make as a trick. So I have a possible extra trick in clubs. That's still not going to get me over the line for my contract. And the only way I can really make extra tricks here is if I utilize the fact that dummy hasn't got any hearts left now, and I can trump my heart losers using the trumps that are in dummy. So I do have an opportunity to make extra tricks by just trumping my heart losers. So I'm going to do that. And let's just have a look at the rest of the rest of the planning. I should think about the threats here. Are there any threats here? Well, it looks like I'm going to lose a club. It looks like I'm going to lose a diamond. That's for certain. My only real other threats are that if I draw trumps, I'm going to be left with 2 losing hearts. So my plan here is not to draw trumps. I'm going to win the ace of hearts immediately, trump my heart losers, and then I should be home and dry. So let's do that. I'm going to play the ace of hearts. And now I'm going to immediately, rather than draw trumps, which would use up dummy's trumps, I'm going to immediately trump. I'm going to lead a heart and immediately trump it. So I've made an extra trick already because that 7 of spades has now become an extra trick for me. I've still got all 6 of my spades in my own hand, which I'm expecting to win later on. So I need to get back to my hand because I can do this again. I've still got 1 losing heart left in my hand. So if I get back to my hand, I'm going to play a diamond, the 3 of diamonds, play back to my hand with the ace. Now I can trump another heart. There's a small danger that the opponents might start roughing, but they haven't got any hearts higher than the 10, so I've got no danger there really. So I've already made 3 tricks, and I've got at least 6 more to follow because I have got a really good spade suit here, and I'm expecting to make all 6 of those spades. And now all I need to do now is set up my club winner. So while I'm in dummy, I'm still in the dummy. I'm going to play the king of clubs. The opponents will win this, likely. It's likely they'll win this. They haven't, they've ducked, which is okay. That's quite possible that they'll do that. In that case, what I'll do now is I will play the queen of clubs. Now they've taken their ace. Let's see what comes next. So I have to click on this one because they're winning. They play a heart. I'm a bit worried that West hasn't got any hearts, so I'm going to trump it high just in case, and I can throw away a club. Actually, West has still got hearts. Now I can draw my trumps. Throwing away, I can throw away anything. It doesn't matter what I throw now. So I have now seen. I had 6 trumps in hand. I had 2 in the dummy. That's 8. So there are 5 outstanding. There are 2 of them. So I need to keep playing on trumps now. So I'm now seeing 4 of the opposing trumps. So there's one left, 1 trump left. Which is there. I've drawn it out. My 4 of spades is a winner. My 2 of spades is a winner. I'm just going to lose the 9 of diamonds. So let me just cash away. I'll just cash my spade tricks. So I've made 11 tricks. I'm now going to play the 9 of diamonds, which will lose because we haven't played any diamonds yet, and the ace and the king's out anyway. Yeah. Okay, so we've lost that last trick, but we have made 11 tricks. So if I click there, let's see what happens. It should tell me, it's told me that it tells me I was talented and I reached the best possible score for that. I can either play it again. So if I didn't do very well, I could play it again. If I do game review, it should give me the opportunity here. It tells you commentary that I've input here will tell you how you should play this and tells you a bit about the bidding, how to plan the play, all the things we've just done. And that's it really. So that's how you use Bridge Trainer. There are 3 links in this week's homework. Have a go at playing all 3 hands. But I've obviously given you the solution to the first one. But have a go with the others and see how you get on and let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.